In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this custom typography for this letter A here. It's really as simple as just creating these various shapes. These are all just rectangles. Some of them I've turned on angles like this, right? I'll just pull it apart so you can kind of see how this is made. Just simple rectangles. Turning a specific angle, assembling them like this. And once we have it selected, we're going to go over and get our shape builder tool, and we're going to combine and edit it into the logo we see here on the left. So you'll notice as I hover over it, it starts highlighting the pieces. It wants to know if I want to cut through some shapes like that or combine some shapes. First of all, we're going to cut through some shapes. Really what we're going to do is just hold the Option key. That's for cutting through or editing. That's the Alt key on the PC if you're using a PC. I'm going to hold Option. I'm going to click down on the mouse. I'm going to drag through this shape, holding the mouse down until I'm through the shape and then letting go. And then it's gone. I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to hold Option, click down on the mouse, holding down on the mouse so I'm through the pieces I want to edit out, and then letting go, and then they're gone. I'm going to go through and repeat that process, just holding Option, dragging through with the mouse, cleaning up these outside pieces that we don't need. And then once we're here, we're going to start editing and combining. I do need to cut through here first, but it's really just about combining these remaining shapes. So I am going to cut through here, hold Option, go through this little space here, kind of cutting up inside. Let's see, all the way down through here. That looks like it's complete. Now we just need to combine them. So I was holding Option to edit out. When I want to combine them, I don't hold anything on the keyboard. I simply just click down on the mouse, hold on it, drag through these pieces I want to combine. Once I get through a series of pieces, letting go and seeing that they've combined together. So I'm going to repeat that. I'm just going to click down on the mouse, drag through a series of pieces, kind of doing this in stages. All right. And you can see very quickly we've combined all of that into one piece. Now, what we have left to do is just kind of round some of these corners, right? There's also some additional anchor points that are going to keep us from getting a nice rounded curve. So I'm going to actually hit minus on the keyboard. That's going to give me a tool that looks like the pen tool with a little minus sign. And if I go and click on the anchor points, I can start deleting some of these extra anchor points that we don't need. Really just use these ones up in the corner that hold the line together. I don't necessarily need to delete all of them, but there are some that are in the way, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of most of them. All right, so now we have this, and in fact I'm going to go get my eyedropper tool. Let's just sample this color now. And then we really just need to get our direct selection tool. Click on the individual anchor points like this. So click here, hold Shift, select this anchor point. I've got two of them selected. Grab these little circles that appear, click down on the mouse, hold, and drag them. And then once I've got them to where I want them to go, let go of the mouse, and now I've rounded the corner. So we're going to continue that process around the remainder of the shape here that makes our custom typography here. So clicking here, holding Shift, clicking here, pulling these in, doing the same thing here. On the top. Oh, I'm actually going to do this one first. Kind of have to eye this one a little bit. This one, hold Shift, click this one, pull that in. All right, need to get this little notch here. Grab that one, pull it down just a little bit, and there we are. I'm going to copy the background over here, and we have recreated that logo.